forget your key again. Your renters or employees leave without returning the key. Want to know who has opened your door and when? Need higher security level for sensitive doors? You need a smart lock. Introducing Ultraloq UL3 BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. Ultraloq is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. If you have a smartphone, you can unlock your door in Ultraloq app through Bluetooth low-energy connectivity. You still have the mechanical key for backup. Ultraloq's Knock to Open feature allows you to just knock on your phone twice, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. Ultraloq integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. In Ultraloq app, you can view logs of who has entered and exactly when they did, see who has the access and how, and even clone users when you install a new lock. For quick user management, just use touchscreen to simply add or delete user on the device. No problem if you don't have a smartphone. Ultraloq has an outstanding battery life, up to 8,000 times of access, powered by 3 AA batteries. It sends you low battery alerts on both LCD and app. Ultraloq is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof with strong zinc alloy casing. We selected the best chip providers in the world to ensure best performance. Ultraloq is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. Ultraloq. Simplify your safety.